Shwmae a chroeso I uned 16 o'r cwrs sylfaen. And we're looking at the comparison of adjectives, for example, taller, younger, older. Felly, os trowch chi tudalen 142, tudalen 142, you can see a few examples there. Dwi'n dalach na chi, talach, taller, tal, talach, and the na is the comparison to something. So, dwi'n dalach na chi, I am taller than you. Dwi'n dalach na Bob, I am taller than Bob. Dwi'n henach na chi, I am older than you. So we'll run through the examples. Yeah, at tudalen 142, the translations are there, of course. Felly, ar ôl fi, os gwelwch yn dda. Dwi'n dalach na chi. Dwi'n ifancach na chi. Dwi'n henach na chi. Dwi'n henach na phawb. And you don't actually need the comparison than, of course, if you look at the examples underneath. Mae hi'n oerach heddi. It is called today. So twymach, sachach, gwlypach. We're just ymarfer now. We'll go through those again. Felly, ail adroddwch os gwelwch yn dda. Mae hi'n oerach heddi. Mae hi'n dwymach heddi. Mae hi'n sychach heddi. Mae hi'n wlypach heddi. And then underneath we have the statements where you say something is far, for example, and then Paris is further, near, nearer. So we'll just run through those. So ail adroddwch os gwelwch yn dda. Mae Llundain yn bell, mae Paris yn bellach. Mae Aberystwyth yn agos, mae Abertawe yn agosach. Mae Llundain yn ddrud, mae Paris yn ddrytach. Mae pasta yn rhad, mae tatws yn rhatach. And of course we have alternatives here. We have exceptions to the rule. And in this case, of course, it's big, small, good, and bad. So they follow an irregular pattern in that we don't add the ach. So, trowch I tudalen 144. Yeah, if you turn to page 144, you'll see the differences there. So instead of adding an ach, we have this different word. So big, bigger is fwy. Smaller, llai. Better, well, and worse, wife. So we have mae Caerdydd yn fwy nag Abertawe. Cardiff is bigger. So it doesn't follow the pattern of adding an ach. So the examples given there with the translations. So we'll run through those. Tudalen 144, ail adroddwch os gwelwch yn dda. Mae Caerdydd yn fwy nag Abertawe. Mae Caerdydd yn llai na Llundain. Mae pêl-droed yn well na rygbi. Mae gwynt yn wath na glaw. And ar tudalen 145, on the bottom there, you have another two examples of differences. You don't add the ach. So we have uchel and isel. Uchel, high, isel, low. And uchel, uwch is the version there. Uwch, higher, and is, lower. So we'll just run through those examples there. Mae'r wyddfa yn uchel, mae Benefis yn uwch. Mae Benefis yn uchel, mae Everest yn uwch. Mae llais alto yn isel, mae llais bas yn is. Mae 3 yn rhif isel. Mae 1 yn rhif is. There's a couple of things to point out. Os trewch chi tudalen 146, yeah, 146, you notice that there is a mutation after the na. It's the aspirate, yeah, treiglad llais. So mae pildrod yn fwy ddiddorol na chriced, yeah, chriced. Mae rygbi yn fwy cyffrous na ffeildroed. Mae trombone yn fwy swnllyd na llenyn. So it's the T, the C, and the P that mutate. And also this G will appear when we have vowels in the second part of the comparison. So mae oren yn fwy blasus nag afal. A mae afal yn fwy blasus nag oren. So that G there, actually the G appears there to make things easier to say. And the final thing in this unit is, of course, we have longer adjectives which don't follow this pattern. Unfortunately, a lot of it is a matter of learning which ones use this pattern. But if we look at it, it's more the longer adjectives and also words that finish with og. So, for example, cyfoethog, gwyntog, niwlog. And what we do there is we use mwy a llai, which we just practiced. Mwy, more, llai, less. So, for example, my tudalen 155, yeah, 155 in the help llaw. Mae fy chwaer yn fwy cyfoethog na fi. Yeah, so it's a longer adjective. So we use this fwy. Mae fy chwaer yn fwy cyfoethog na fi. And then we have a couple of weather things there. So bydd hi'n fwy gwyntog. So using more as an intensifier. So rather than saying gwyntocach, no, we don't say that. Bydd hi'n fwy gwyntog yfory, a roedd e'n edrych yn llai diflas ddoe. So we're using this mwy and the llai then to say with the longer adjectives. So that's that unit done. Remember, drychwch chi, look through the help llaw and use the online practice, and then we'll see you in Uned 17. Pob hwyl am y tro.